Today we're going to make some sweet and sour chicken, so let's get started. We're going to start out by taking 4 to 5 chicken breasts and cutting them up into bite-sized pieces. And then we're going to add about 1.5 cups of cornstarch to a bowl. Exact measurements are not going to matter here. And then we're going to crack 3 eggs into a separate bowl, and we're going to go ahead and beat those. Then we're going to set everything aside for a second and add enough oil into a pan to cover the bottom of it. And we're going to heat that on medium. Once your oil is hot, we're going to dip each piece of chicken into the egg and then into the cornstarch to form a nice breading. And then we're going to place it into our pan. I do several pieces at a time. And once they are crispy on one side, we're going to go ahead and flip them. We are not cooking these all the way through. Once they're crisp on both sides, we're going to transfer them into a 9x13 baking pan. And then we're going to start our sauce. We're going to start by adding 1 cup of granulated sugar to a bowl. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, not to be confused with garlic powder. And then we're going to give that a quick mix until it forms a sauce. Your sauce is going to be pretty runny to start with, but that's okay. It's going to thicken up in the oven. Then we're just going to pour that sauce over our chicken, pop that in the oven at 375 degrees, and we're going to cook that for an hour, stirring around every 15 minutes or so just to make sure your chicken is completely coated. And at the 1 hour mark, you can see here how my sauce did indeed thicken up, and this is ready to eat. Here's the recipe for anybody who needs a screenshot. And don't forget to follow for more easy recipes and mom hacks.